Today we are going to learn what is data transform. Okay, so data transform is a process of converting raw data from its original format and structure into a standardized, clean and usable format for analysis and decision making. It involves various operations like cleaning, reformatting, validation. It involves various operations like cleaning, formatting, and validation, and then rest- restructuring data, making it compatible with different systems and suitable for application like data warehousing and analytics and machine learning. Okay, so here data transform is the process of converting raw data form into a original format that we can feed it into the model properly. Okay, so here we can see. So there is a different kind of text splitter. Okay, so in LangChain text splitter. So here you can see text splitter, LangChain text splitter are tool designed to break down large document into a smaller manageable chunk. Okay, the process is crucial for working with the large language model LLM due to their context window limitation for improving the efficiency and accuracy of retrieval and other NLP tasks. Okay, so basically you can see it's break down large document into a smaller document, so that's why we called it text splitter. So here we have different text splitter like a recursive character text splitter. This is the recommended default splitter for most general text. Okay, it split text recursively based on a list of characters. Okay, it prioritizes preserving semantic coherence while trying to keep paragraphs, sentence and word together as much as possible. It's highly configurable with chunk size and chunk overlap parameter. Okay, so we can use uh, 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 where is okay, so here we can see another text splitter which is called a character text splitter. So character text splitter splits the text based on a single specified character, offers a more straightforward character based splitter approach, which can be useful when precise character based on chunking is required. Okay, so in character text splitter, it split the text on a single specific character. Okay, and recursive character text splitter, it is a default splitter for most general text. It split text recursively based on list of characters and semantic chunk. Split text based on a semantic similarity using embedding. Okay, so and here you can see HTML section splitter. So design specifically for splitting HTML context. It can split HTML into structured document based on a specific header or by analyzing tag and font size. Okay, so we can split HTML content by using HTML splitter. Okay, so code splitter. What is code splitter? Provide a specific specialized splitting logic for various programming language. Okay, it leverages language specific separation to maintain code structure and context within chunking. Okay, so we have different text splitter, but here we are going to learn character text splitter, recursive character text splitter, HTML character text splitter, and another one is where is this? So here we can see recursive JSON text splitter. Okay, another one is recursive JSON. So we are going to learn these four. If you need any other splitter, then you can learn from document of LangChain. Okay, so why use text splitter? Overcome LLM context window limitation. Okay, like LLM have a finite amount of text. Okay, then they can process it at once. Splitting large document into smaller chunks allow them to the fit within the limits. Improve the retrieval accuracy. More focused chunk can lead to the more relevant result. Okay. Enhance the representation quality. Chunking can improve the quality of the document, embedding and representation. Okay. So here we can also check here text splitter in LangChain documents. Okay. So document split often a crucial representation step by step for many applications. It involves breaking down large text into a smaller manageable chunk. This process often several benefits such as ensuring consistent processing of varying document length, overcoming input size limitation of the model, and improving the quality of the text representation used in various systems. So, okay, there are several strategies for splitting documents, each with its own advantage. Okay, so how can you split the documents? Like if you have one document, okay, then split document as for downstreaming process. Okay, after splitting, it create like this type of document, small. Okay, by using chunk size and chunk overlapping. Text splitter split document into a smaller chunk for use in downstream application. So here by split documents again handling length using for document length, overcome model limitation. Okay, like many embedding model and language model have maximum input size constraints, so splitting allow us to process document that would otherwise exceed these limits. Okay, involving representation quality, enhancing the retriever approaches lengthways text. We have text structure weight. So this is the recursive text splitter. Text, text is naturally organized into a hierarchical unit such as a paragraph, sentence, and words. We can leverage this inherent structure to inform our splitting strategy. Create a split that maintain the natural language flow and maintain semantic coherence within a split and adapt to varying leverage of the text granular, granularity. LangChain recursive character text splitter implements this concept. Okay, so here we can use a text splitter like this from LangChain text splitter import recursive text splitter. So here you need to create its object, and here you need to pass recursive character text splitter. In here you can create a chunk size and chunk overlapping that it is split into a smaller document. Here you need to again create a one variable. So text dot split dot text. So here you can apply different text splitter like